how to do product research before import from China. Before importing product from China, it's crucial to do deep product research. Many sellers make the same mistake of importing without understanding the true price or legal requirement, and this can result in losing thousands of money. Here is how to do the research in the right way. First, how do you choose the right product? Ask yourself. And number one, is the product available to customer? Make sure it meets their needs. Number two, is it hard to find locally? Avoid common items already dominated by big retailers. Number three, can you make it unique? Adding your own design or features can help your product stand out. And number four, is it already selling in bulk? Start with the products that are already popular to reduce the risk. Use the tools like Jungle Squad or check Amazon bestseller list to identify potential products. The right tools can help you spot trending items that match your niche. Once you find your product, the next step is price research. Alibaba is a great platform to find wholesale prices, but remember, price lists are for small quantities. The more you order, the cheaper it gets. However, be cautious of too low cost, as these could indicate poor quality. Now, shipping costs. Depending on the weight and volumes, you can choose between international express like DHL, FedEx, or sea shipping. Express is faster, but costly for heavier items. Sea shipping is cheaper for bulk, but slower. Make sure to factor in these costs when calculating your product total price. And next, ensure you have the right qualifications. Some products require special certifications, like for food, electronics, or toys. Check with other supplier or freight forwarder about necessary certifications. Also, beware of patent issues, especially if you plan to sell on platforms like Amazon. Finally, do a full cost breakdown. Consider all expenses, sample cost, product cost, shipping cost, import tariffs, and marketplace fees. And even low-cost items may not be profitable once you factor in these additional charges. By doing your research and understanding all the hidden costs, you can avoid costly mistake and make informed decision. And remember, the key to success in importing is knowledge and preparations. And start your product research today and bring the right product into your market. Okay, follow Jack for any promotional product solution.